Welcome to a healthy meal and easy recipe place for Delicious Food Bites. Today I'm showing you how to make a delicious recipe that is satisfaction guaranteed. Ofada rice with Ofada pepper sauce. Get ready to enjoy every step. Prepping all ingredients is key. Here is a wonderful help doing all my chopping and grating, a manual but extremely handy for chopping veggies, vegetables, okra, you just name it, and all you have to do is a push and you're done. A little hand exercise is not bad at times. It's a very useful handy tool. Back to today's prep. Boil all your protein, the beef, cow tripe, intestine, fry and set aside. For other ingredients, we have the Ofada rice, slightly bleached palm oil, tatashe and rodo pepper, onions, iru, that's locust beans, salt and bouillon cubes. Let's start cooking. Start by boiling your water. Add your rinsed Ofada rice, cover and allow it cook. Check on your rice from time to time. When it's almost cooked, add a bit of salt and allow it cook through. Heat up the pan to start making the pepper sauce. Pour in the bleached palm oil. Once it's hot, put in your bouillon cubes, salt, mix, and iru. Pour in your grated pepper and onions mix. It is best to grate or chop your pepper. Do not blend your pepper for Ofada sauce. Make sure your Ofada sauce is getting fried before you start adding all your prawns, your protein, your egg, and mix it together. Make sure it is very fried. That's the beauty of Ofada pepper sauce, well fried. As you can see, it's very fried. The Ofada rice and pepper sauce is ready. It is time to serve. Ofada rice has this wonderful aroma, and with the Ofada pepper sauce, you are getting double for this aroma and deliciousness. So keep watching for Delicious Food Bites for more recipes. Thank you.